What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Nio with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So Nio continues to drop down lower and lower. It looks like it just made a new 52-week low today, and it tagged that 612 level. So is this the end for Nio going up, or we can still see further downside? As of right now, it looks like we're still going to see further downside. This downward momentum is still intact, so this bearish momentum is still strong to the downside, so you can see that price is still below this trend line. We did double the range towards the bottom, so this was the measure move target. So price broke out of the range on the top side about that amount, exceeded it just slightly, and then came back inside the range, and now price broke out on the bottom side of the range about the same amount also. So again, the target was met. That's where we're finding support. We'll see if this is a failed breakout or not. We would need to see a strong reversal take place from here, something like that. Price would need to get back above the EMA, back above this trend line right over here. So you need to go shoot above the $8 level by a good amount, and the pullback needs to be small and find support for higher prices. That would be the bullish case, but that's not looking likely right now. Everything is still pointing to the downside for Nio. Reason being is that we could be starting another leg down. All of this is one large leg down. When price pulls back, it could be starting a second leg. And the second leg is, sub $1 level. So I don't think Nio is going to get there. But again, that's what the technicals show. Either way, price is below this trend line, below this $7 level, which was prior support. It can act as resistance if price goes up to it. We're below this short-term trend line right over here, below the EMA. So a lot of bearish signs, not a lot of bullish signs. The only thing bullish would be that price, is starting to stall out. As by looking at the weekly chart, you can see it's not in a strong downtrend like it was in the past. If I connect the swings, this was all a strong downtrend. Price is kind of like getting shallower and shallower, so eventually price may come to a bottom, but the all-time lows are around sub $2, so the price may be able to retest those levels, especially if BABA is headed there too. So a lot of Chinese stocks are headed back to their all-time lows. So again, looks still bearish for Nio. Looking for more downside. It's not guaranteed we get there, but again, that's what the chart is telling me, and buying right now could lead to further downside in the future. So that's all I have for Nio on the daily and weekly charts. And there's not a lot of support either from this levels right here in the past. You can see that price shot up through this $2 level, and it was a bubble. The bubble popped, and now the entire thing is deflating. So, price just took back all the gains that was created in 2020. That's normally what happens when a bubble pops. It comes right back where it started for the traders who entered back over here. And it's coming right back for their orders. So that would be around like $4. So either way, Nio's looking bearish. I expect for the downside, unless something changes on the chart. I mean, this is a bearish looking chart. I mean, no way. There's not any other way you look at this. This is a bearish looking chart. The only thing that's bullish would be that, okay, well, it's not as strong as it used to be, the downtrend. Again, either way, it's still, looking bearish. So again, I don't expect anything crazy for Nio in the long term. I mean, in the short term for the bullish side. Maybe in the long term, we finally bottom right here in this region for further upside. Until then, I'll just be bearish on Nio until I see something drastically change on the chart. So that's all I have for Nio on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.